Always come back.
Alright, you're recording.
I wasn't planning on playing Airsoft today, so
You know what I mean? I had cake for breakfast before church.
hold on, let me get my
We can make it if we try, just the two of us.
Hey, Jose's man.
Oh, y'all better hurry up.
Oh, no, I'm not.
Come on, move. I ain't not letting y'all block the doorway.
Alright, Bo's just radiating at this point.
Why you testing me? Huh?
Because if you touch me, it's a hate crime.
That's crazy because I'm Irish.
Irish?
Cat.
That's tough.
Hey, you gotta put him on their team though. Jose on their team.
I'm Irish too.
They ain't got no numbers.
Yeah, put Jose on there.
2 versus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sounds fair. Any name with the last
You
name,
get some
any
of the-
name
some
with
of
the
the better
MC, you know, like MC together,
No, it's 3 on
like
3
the
now.
little C, big C. Yeah,
You're not
Nick,
playing?
that's a
I was
that's an
gonna play with
Irish
my
last
damn
name.
name. I don't have a body and shit.
Any like McCormick, McCoy, anyone with a MC.
Hey, don't shoot me, I'm spectating.
And little C.
All right, bands in the bottom, right?
All Irish.
Yes.
Yeah,
That scope don't work, so don't try to look through it.
Ireland,
Yeah,
you'll
not just
see a
the
lot of
surface.
mix.
Okay.
You'll see a lot
Hey, Dylan,
Like the prefix
what we
of
doing,
the-
Rush?
Like the prefix of the name has to start with
Just
Okay.
team deathmatch? Do they know that?
Yep. Hey, it's TDL.
Yeah, just like the prefix of the
Yeah, because I don't want to be. Thank you for mentioning that, because I would have sat in the top of Kill House getting pissed off the whole time.
Yeah, I don't like Rush. I have PTSD from Rush. I went to the bottom of the staircase. Just peeked out. I don't know how he hurt me. And like, he shot me right off.
Hey! Dead man walking.
You look bad, bro.
Dude, I
Oh no, I'm good.
Where are they at?
2 on this right side.
Huh?
2 on the right side. Looks like they're trying to come in the kill house.
Spectator coming out. Oh, this spectator coming out.
I didn't know. Were you still
No, no.
spectating?
I see you walking under.
He was stuck. He couldn't move.
Yeah, that's what he's saying.
If someone told
He's
me-
like, I've seen you walking up. That's what he's saying. He's like,
Hey!
Trigger discipline. God damn.
Huh?
We gotta work on our trigger discipline.
Bang bang. Huh. Bang, bang. Thank you.
Spectator coming up the ramp. Spectator coming up the ramp.
Hit! Dead man walking. Dead man. Dead man, dead man. Dead man, dead man. Dead man, dead man. Dead man, dead man. Dead man. Back left, there's one over there.
I know, I see him, I see him, I see him. He's in the...
Hit. Jose, I know I got your ass. Bang, bang.
I was like, I don't know if he's gonna stay there or not.
Good shit, y'all. Oh, now the traces can really shine.
Oh, there you are. Bro, I seen you run back to spawn or like back around prison. I was in the satellite building. I seen you run back. I didn't know if you were going to spawn or not. I figured start pushing that back building real quick. And then that buzzer rang.
You hit that metal.
Huh?
You hit that metal? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I
If not-
couldn't find him. He just like, I seen him run by.
That's cool.
I seen him run by and I walked around the corner, he's gone. Like just Houdini, bro, on me. That's what you could have done right here.
My mag
Yeah,
back.
he just Houdini'd on me. I was like, gotta keep moving, that's right.
Joselito. My mag, boy.